Welcome to Tricks and Learn. So today in this video we are going to see a complete review and unboxing of Oswald Gurukul Term 2 books. So in this video I am going to unbox Oswald Publications Term 2 subjective and objective question bank for CBSE class 12 2022. So let's start the unboxing. So if you not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and press all icon, then only you will get the instant notification of my upcoming videos and CBSE updates. So finally we done the unboxing. So today we got 3 books. So I ordered 5 books, 2 books come later. So English core, mathematics and physics. So physics, the external appearance is very good and they given at the rate of 299. If you buy in Amazon or Flipkart means it is very low. So they given 900 plus questions, multiple choice questions, case study and assertion based questions they given. It is completely for term 2 and it only has term 2 portions. So in mathematics also they given 800 plus questions, assertion reason questions, multiple choice questions, case based questions and figure based questions at the rate of rupees 269. So for English core also they given 800 plus questions, chapter wise summary, multiple choice questions, extract based questions and special focus on new pattern questions they given. So this book is available at the rate of 240. So these 3 books are also available in Amazon, Flipkart or the Oswald Publications own website. Seems to be less price, so check that. Now we are going to get deep into English core book. In English core book they given preface and the rate of the books also they given. So they given the portion as question paper wise, section A, section B, section C. Mainly in section B we have invitation, replies and letter writing. So they given syllabus for CBSE term 2 board exam. So in section A they given comprehension based questions. So they given some comprehension based questions as factual passage. In section B of English core we have writing skills. In writing skills we have 2 topics, invitation and replies as a main topic. So for term 2 board exam we have invitation and replies, so note that. And second type of question is letter writing. So letter writing also a part in term 2. And in section C literature we have prose, poem and supplementary reader. Prose as a book of Flamingo they given brief summary as well as textbook questions, the in textbook questions with brief answers they given in this book. It is the special thing, it has NCERT book back exercises and they given extra additional questions and NCERT book back questions talking about the text, thinking about the text, etc. And they given very brief notes. And also for poetry they given summary and they given the in-text questions. And for Vistas Flamingo also they given a summary as well as questions. And now we are going to see about mathematics. So in mathematics, in first they given the content as syllabus and the lessons covered for term 2 and they given the brief syllabus. And with the starting of the lesson they give starting with the formulas, what are the main important formulas they are starting, and they given MCQs type questions, assertion based questions and more questions in which NCERT book back question is also included. NCERT exercise is also included and a very short answer type question, short answer type questions and long answer type question type 1 and long answer questions type 2. So they given more things in this. And at last they given self-assessment questions with only answers, so we can derive that. For all the chapters they follow this. What are they following? They following multiple choice questions, assessment based questions, case based questions, short answer, long answer. So that's all about mathematics book. Main thing to notice, NCERT book back exercise is also included. And now physics book. So physics books is also same as English and mathematics. In first they given the content of term 2 syllabus and for starting of the chapter they given multiple choice questions with clear explanation. For physics we need explanation, right? So they given clear explanation with more multiple choice questions, and then they given assumption and reason questions with explanation, and then case based questions with explanation, very short answer type 1 question, short answer type 1 questions, type 2 questions, and long answer type 1 questions, type 2 questions they given. So it is very important to note here is he given numerals as a separate section for revision as well as sums. So they given separate section for numerals. So here also NCERT book back questions is also included, and experimental and analysis type questions is also included. So it is, I think it is really useful for the students, those who wants to get more score. So main thing to notice, they given NCERT book back exercises with the patch NCERT in questions. So that's all about this book. So we completed the unboxing and short review of English core, mathematics and physics.
So after the arrival of chemistry book as well as biology book, I upload unboxing video of that books as soon as possible. So thank you guys. I see you at the next video. Thank you so much.